Welcome to the PWM ESP32 program. I'm initializing each pin 16, 17 and 5. Okay. I am setting each pin as output mode. In loop, I am incrementing from 0 to 255. Why 0 to 225 means in default in Arduino Uno we have 8-bit configuration and frequency as 5000. Okay. PWM. I'm setting analog pin and duty cycle. So the value of the free duty cycle will be increment from 0 to 225. That means LED will be from brightness will be increased, and again I write a decrement for LED brightness from LED pin to duty cycle. It is from 225 to 0. Okay, this is general simplified program. If you want specific frequency, this program, okay, initializing. Here I am setting as a PWM properties, specific properties, frequency and channel and resolution. We are using 8-bit resolution. Here I am also written a 8-bit resolution. We can have up to 12-bit resolutions. Okay, and we have up to 16 channels from 0 to 15. Here I am written LCD setup. Okay, instead of writing LCD setup, we written LCDC setup, where I have written channel, frequency and resolution, specific requirements, and I am attaching the channel to the GPIO control. That means attaching each pin to the channel. We are written channel number 0, so that's why we are written 0. Increasing the LED brightness, same as general analog only, but here we written LCDC, right? LCD channel. Okay, it's a same only. How this program works, this is also same works. Now we are compiling the program. Now it's compiled. Now we are going to connect the ESP32 to the laptop. Okay, we are now connected. Now I am uploading the program to the ESP32. The program is updating. Yeah, it's done now. By checking, you can see that the brightness of the LED will be increment and decrement. We observe clearly. I'll zoom it. See, now the brightness is low, and now I am again incrementing. I will explain diagram now. Okay. Pin number 16, 17 and 5 attached to the anode of each LED and cathode of each LED to the resistor, and resistor to the ground, and ground pin is to the GND in ESP32. Okay. Now I am checking voltage of the PWM project. It's now increasing. Now it is decreasing. Thank you for watching.